How to make vegan macaroni and cheese. Soya, a little bit soya, no. Put the soya in the macaroni. This is soya cream. Yes, it's creamy, you know. You're gonna feel like it's milk, but it's not milk, it's creamy. It's gonna taste really nice. And if I give you this with your eyes closed, you will never believe it's vegan for real. So my son was telling me, Papa, how can we both eat macaroni because you don't eat milk, you don't eat, you know? So I was like, oh, you see in the back the meat? That was vegan meat. We're gonna mix it together. But see, yeah, but here you gotta keep spinning it. Spin it. Here you put the vegan cheese powder. You put it in. Spin it, spin it, spin it. This smell really cheesy, like really, really cheesy. You just keep spinning, 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 spinning. When you feel pain in your arms, then it's good. If you don't feel no pain in your arms, you gotta keep going, spinning. Boop, 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 boop. The first bite, he likes it. He was like, "Oh my God!" Thank you for being here. Please like the video. Bye.